How to find someone's Discord ID. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Discord. And once you do that, navigate to your profile page, and here scroll down till you find a section that says app settings. From there click on advanced, and here you'll find the option developer mode. Turn it on. Now go back to any profile or conversation or anything like that, and then click on the three dots at the top right corner, and here from the list you will see an option has appeared. It says copy ID. If you clicked on it, as you can see, the ID has been copied, so it will be right here. This is the ID of this account. You can do this on any account. Just go to that account, page, or conversation and do these steps. Now let's turn off the developer mode and see how it will look like without the developer mode turned on. So if you clicked on the three dots, as you can see, the copy ID option has been disappeared. So again, turn it on, go back, the copy ID has appeared. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can get someone's Discord ID. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.